What's up, YouTube? Are you ready to dance with me? Some girly squats and a little bit of dancing in between. Before we go any further, please hit like and follow and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will teach you only after you do that, please. I'm waiting. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, let's begin. So, warm up fast. If you haven't warmed up already, I've got lots of videos on my YouTube channel to help you get warmed up with fast, so do that first. And then come and see me. We're gonna get straight into knee drops. I'm gonna assume that you've already looked at my other videos and you know what you're doing. And if you haven't, hi and welcome. And then check out my other videos, okay? So we're gonna bend the knees, weight into the heels of the feet. Okay, and we're gonna alternate the legs from side to side. 1, 2, 1, 2. You know the drill by now. So if I'm going to this side, I squeeze this bum cheek. If I go to this side, I squeeze this bum cheek. And that's what helps the movement be nice and sharp. We're gonna float the arms out to classical positions. We call this classical position in my school, in Melissa BellyDance school. Now let's step it. Keep the weight into the heels of the feet. Keep going. I just want to point out, I'm wearing tights. I haven't got dirty feet, okay? They're my special dance tights. That'll stop me from slipping everywhere. Okay, no. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's put the hands to the head. Close the elbows slightly. And make sure you're really squeezing your bum. So if you're really squeezing your bum, you're working your bum cheeks. And you're gonna get a juicy bum. I don't know anybody who does not want a juicy bum. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Squeeze your bottom as hard as you can. 4. When we're gonna do something called what I call peekaboo, which means to basically peek. You're gonna peek through your window, call it peekaboo. Okay, so first of all, let's just take the head from side to side. Every 4 counts, okay? If you want, you can do a little shimmy with it to keep you nice and warm and to keep you moving as we do it. So it's look, 2, 3, 4. 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 And now I do with the hands. So place the hands in your head. And then you're gonna be like peeking, you're peeking through your little window. Okay, so it's peek, 2, 3, 4. Peek, 2, 3, 4. Peek, 2, 3, 4. Peek, 2, 3, 4. Peek, 2. One more time. And then knee drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. So weight into the heels of the feet. So we're having a little bit of fun. On YouTube, I just post like a bit of fun videos for you all. But if you want to learn properly, you know the drill. Come to my school. Come and train with me in person. Whether that's online, or via Zoom, live stream, or whether it's in the studio in person, or whether it's taking the online subscription on my website, which is just the recordings only. Okay. So take your hands up to your head. I have no idea where my music just went to, so keep going. This is the reality of filming live. So keep it play, keep doing your movement, and we will dance together. Cheeky phone. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. We're gonna add in the head now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I want you to rotate for 8 counts. 8 counts specifically, okay? We're gonna go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? Again? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you're not getting around, chances are you're too slow. Speed up. Or your steps are too small. You make your steps a little bit bigger. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Uh-oh. Let's add in the peekaboo. So let's go slowly first. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hands to your head. We're going to start turning. Peekaboo. 2, 3, 4. By the 4th one, takes you to the back. And then 5, 6, 7, 8. So those of you who are used to spotting and doing turns, it's the same concept, you're spotting, okay? So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4th step to take you to the back. Look over your shoulder as you step on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. More time. 1, 2. Squeeze your bum. Don't forget to squeeze. Okay. All right, and then side to side. We're gonna do bump, bump. It's a bit like a wide leg knee drop because when I go to this side, I squeeze this bum. And when I go to this side, I squeeze this bum cheek. Let's go. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Swing those hips. 1, 2. Posture. Breathe. Smile. Have fun. 4, 3. We're going to add in our girly squats, okay? So now you're going to press back. I've got the right pants on today, so you can see my legs. So you're going to push back and reach your bum behind you. Remember the rule? Wait into the heels of the feet, push your bum back. I call these the girly squats. It's way more fun than doing boring squats, right? So reach your bottom behind you and squeeze your bum really hard. So as I rise up, I press through the heels and I squeeze. So squeeze it. Off we go. So it's 8, 7, 6. Make sure the knees are bent and the knees stay over the line of your ankle. You're not doing this. Back, back. All right, and then we're gonna add on a hair toss, okay? So we go over and you look to the side, and then over and look to the side. If you've got long hair, let it loose, let it down, let it all down, and you're gonna toss it over your shoulder. So with all of your hair, if you've got long hair, to land over one shoulder and the other. If you've got short hair, no, never mind, just pretend, okay? So we've got every 2 bounces. 1, 2, 1, dance it. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's do 4 more. If you're dizzy, leave out the head. 2 more times. 5, 6, go, 7. Okay, so a little stretch. Select a stretch. And shake your hips from side to side. Before, we're going to put it all together, okay? Just follow me. Enjoy. It's a bit of girly squats mixed in with a bit of dancing for you. Okay, so hips to knee drops. Bring your hands up. Ready? We're going to rotate it around the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Bump, 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 bump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push it back. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Enjoy it. Dance it. 6, 7, 8. Hop it in. Shimmy in between. We're gonna go again. So the thing is with these costumes is they're pretty, but they never fit properly, ever. If you're a belly dancer, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And the bras are always big fat lies. They're lies. It's not true representation. Just saying. Okay, anyway, ready? From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, hands. Side to side. Bump, bump, bump. Let's squat. 8, 7. Make sure your posture is good. 4, 3. Add in the hair. Toss and 2. Toss and 2. Toss and 2. Toss. 2. 4 more. Come on. 4, 3. Dance it. Enjoy it. Yes. Hop in. Shimmy. We'll do one more time. Just for fun. Okay, 5, 6, smile, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 6, 7, 8. Out, 2, 3, 4. Side to side, bump it, bump, bump. I'm changing speeds on purpose, keeping you on your toes. Okay, push it back. 8, 7, bottom behind you. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Toss. Hey. Hey. 2 more, please. And stretch. 4, 3, 2, roll up. I hope you enjoyed that. Thank you for watching. Please hit subscribe and like and follow and all that good stuff. Give me a thumbs up, please, if you liked it. New releases every week, so stay up to date. And I look forward to seeing you very soon.